This is the viral TikTok Somnofit-S, and here's why the hype is real. This is seriously the best anti-snoring solution on the market. Just boil it in water at home to get a custom tooth impression for a perfect fit, and start seeing reduced snoring on the very first night of use. With Swiss-made quality and a 120-night money-back guarantee, there's no other anti-snoring mouthguard better than this one. A single Somnofit-S lasts 1 year or longer, so customers using similar products are about to save hundreds of dollars. Grab your Somnofit-S anti-snore mouthguard today and start sleeping again.